So guys, nandito tayo sa isang street food here in Nadjad. So tatry natin yung iba't ibang klase ng street food here. Good morning to all. So let's see kung ano yung street food na offer nila. All here are vegetable, yeah? For vegetarian street food. There's no meat available here. Kancho, sir. So look guys, as you can see, all vegetable are offering here. So let's see this.
This is sweet.
Sweet. Those are sweet. Hello, Kancho. Ayan, Okay. This is papadam?
Yeah, something like that.
But this is not sweet, yeah?
No, this is not sweet. These two are sweet.
Those two are sweet. This is, I know this. Jollibee. Okay, we will eat. Okay. And what are those? Same as well, look.
Jalebi, papada.
Jollibee, papadam. Can we see how they cook? Is it alright?
Yeah, we will see.
Okay.
This street is very, very busy in the evening.
This whole street, guys, are famous for street food here in Nadjad.
Yes.
So that's why we are here. We will try different kinds of street food here.
Yes.
But in Philippines you can find meat, yeah, deep like isaw, one day old. But here, guys, yeah, meatballs, balut. But here, all vegetable. No any. This is kind of street food here.
Okay. So
Okay. Hello, sir.
from where you want to start? You want to see here? He is making. Aso banao to?
Papra. This is the way they prepare papra.
And then
This is the papra, yeah? Papra. Okay.
And they will fry. Look.
There. It's look easy to cook, but to prepare. Look. And they are cooking there. Can I see that? Can I see?
Yes.
This is papra. You okay, mate? You alright? Papra, yeah? He's cooking papra. Okay.
Taste karo, taste.
Yeah, later we will taste. It's like chicharon. Chicharon in Philippines. Later we will try.
બધું ટેસ્ટ કરવાના છે.
Okay.
પેલા જોઈ લઈએ.
What else? It's also
સમોસા.
samosa.
Yes,
Okay. This is samosa, yeah?
yes. Bihari
Famous.
samosa.
This is spicy samosa.
Yes.
Spicy. How you call it? Bihari.
Bihari, from Bihar.
From Bihar. Famous from Bihar. You're from Bihar. So Bihar is a state, and this is Bihari
Samosa.
Samosa. Okay.
Very famous.
We will try,
Very old. Started by since 1972.
1970. This shop 1972. But
પણ પંજાબી સમોસા ફેમસ છે કે બિહારી સમોસા ફેમસ?
यहाँ पे बिहारी समोसा फेमस है।
હા,
But-
there is two samosa.
but Bihar is in northern part or southern part of India?
ईस्ट के तरफ है।
East. East India. All right.
Let's
Okay.
try. We will try samosa first. So he is preparing samosa for me. બહુ સ્પાઇસી ના બનાવતા because I don't like too much spicy. એક મિનિટ ખાલી એ લઈ લઉં. So this is samosa. આમલીની ચટણી ને?
ना जो
हाँ?
आमचूर
હા
आमचूर की चटनी है।
હા
आमचूर खजूर।
હા this is dates and turmeric. અને આ ચીલી ના પુદીના ને એ
मैंगो स्ट्रिप की चटनी आती है, मैंगो स्ट्रिप।
Mango. Okay. Thank you. Wow, look how big it is.
So Shama, what are those? They put sauce, yeah?
First this brown one you are seeing is turmeric and dates.
Turmeric and then so
And-
it has sweetness.
Yeah.
This one has sweetness.
Sweetness.
And this one is, I think, what is
Chili,
this?
coriander leaf, pudina,
How you call
mango.
this? How you call this?
Chutney.
Paste. Chutney.
Green chutney.
Okay, so you try it, samosa. But let's see. You like it? So let's see.
Definitely.
But those are potato inside, yeah?
Potato.
Just potato.
But the chutney.
But the way they prepare their ingredients is totally
Yes.
different. Because this
I'm
is
from here, you know.
this is from Bihar state, east part of India. All right. Is it
You
nice?
try.
Okay, I will try.
I will try. So let's try this first. Oh,
That is your spoon.
this is my spoon. I will try this potato. How tasty it is.
I like it. It's not too spicy.
No, not spicy.
Yeah. Do you like
Compared
it?
before, we tried this last long
With
time
Kartik.
ago. I think
With Kartik.
2 years ago with Kartik. It's so spicy.
Maybe
But
he
it
don't
is-
tell.
But the way you cook samosa is totally different from here as well.
Yes.
Because it is
This is from Bihar.
very native taste.
Do you like spicy with sugary and sourness? Yes.
And this sauce because of tamarind. Yeah.
It make it more delicious.
Make it
Yeah.
delicious. Very delicious this sauce.
So let's complete this dish and we will go
Yeah.
to another dish.
Yeah, and let me taste this. This is crunchy. Crunchy, yeah?
So you like this
No, I
first
like,
dish?
I like, I
So
like.
pass. Thank you.
Okay, 5 star. 5 star.
So yan guys, the way he prepared samosa. How much is cost? Each?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. Okay. Very expert. Yan guys, Bihari samosa, 30 rupees only. Thank you.
So guys, this is the second item we are trying, famous in Gujarat. This is called papda.
Papra. It's like chicharon in Philippines. So what is this ingredients?
Besan.
Besan?
Besan flour.
Besan
Gram
flour.
flour.
Right, so
It is eating like this, deep in the chutney. Nice.
really? What taste is it? Is it
It's papda.
papra? No, how you can explain the taste?
It is like similar to you eat puri, fry this chapati.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
So let-
like it, but it is crispy and it is good.
So let
It is
let
hot.
me taste because for me it's like chicharon in Philippines. So let me try. So guys, tikman natin ang papra. How much is this, Shama?
This is 15 rupees. 15 rupees.
only. Okay.
30 rupees 100 gram. For you it is tasteless.
I don't know what taste is this. It's not spicy at all. It's not strong taste. I don't know how to compare this kind of food in Philippines. But it just
Different.
Yeah, it's like simple bread. Yeah?
Bread,
Simple
yes.
bread.
Frying bread.
Frying bread. Not salty. It's like they don't put masala. It's like
And
plain.
this bread is famous after Diwali. We call Dasera.
After Diwali.
Yeah, Dasera.
I think they are eating this for religious activity.
Yes, religious
Ah,
activity.
religious
This
activity.
papda, they eat papda and jalebi on Dasera.
I don't fancy much this. It's just simple plain bread for me.
But you have to eat with sauce.
So let me try with sauce. What is the sauce?
I don't know what they made it with.
Okay, I don't know if it's sweet or salt. Let me see. Let me taste.
Sauce is more delicious than the.
It don't change.
It don't change?
Same. Honestly,
For us, we are very fancy.
I really like the samosa.
Samosa.
Compared to this, what is it? How you call this?
Papda.
Papra. Thank you guys. Papra from India.
So guys, now we are trying this jalebi.
Jollibee, very beautiful Jollibee.
Sweet.
It's
This
like
is
Jollibee, not Jollibee.
jalebi.
Jollibee. Oh my.
Yes. This is bundi laddu.
Bundi laddu.
Yes.
Bundi
Kind
laddu.
of. Laddu.
Okay.
Bundi na ladwa.
And this one.
This is bundi.
Bundi.
It is separated one. Yeah,
Ah.
sweet. This is sweet as well.
Okay.
And they bind up with laddu. So now
They have similarity. This
is
one
same,
and this
same
one.
product. They will, when it is hot, they will tie up as a laddu.
It has similarity. So let's
So,
try
we are
first.
trying what
I want
is
to
it.
try this first. Bundi. Look. Oh.
Sweet. Nice.
It's nice.
Mm.
I thought it's like powdery, but it's not powdery.
No, because it has, look, this one has sugar. Sugar syrup inside.
Of course, it's sweet, but I'm thinking this is like powdery form, but it's not. Yeah, it's nice.
It is like melting in your mouth.
Compared to this one, I don't know what it is what.
So try this one now.
Let me try this one. They have similarity. Look, this guys. I don't know.
It's in
Here,
Philippines,
totally different. They're sweet because here no coconut milk. Yeah, compared to Philippines.
But some sweet we use coconut.
And also you don't cook like sticky rice.
No.
Sticky rice for
No.
the. Okay, let's try. This is like powdery form.
Because it get dry bind up.
Yeah, it's like powdery form. But this one is very sweet. Very sweet.
As compared to this?
one. Yeah.
Let me taste. I will taste this one because
Taste this one.
for me.
This
And
one.
after long
This
time,
one.
I'm eating all
Try
this
this one. Yeah? Very sweet. This one is very sweet. I prepared this one.
Very sweet.
This one is too much sugar.
Yeah, better this.
Okay. So, which one you prepare? This is small one? Budi? Okay. Me as well, I prepare this one compared to that one.
So let's try jalebi. now.
Jollibee. So, I'm trying now, how you pronounce this? Jollibee.
Jalebi.
Jollibee. I remember when
Kartik.
Kartik invited me to cook Jollibee. I said, really? You have
Jollibee?
Jollibee?
But that time this market wasn't working that much good
I
because
know,
of
because
Corona. And now you can see all street food is open.
It's getting normal now.
That's why I bring you here.
Famous Jollibee here in India. Look, guys, inside it's like there is liquid, yeah? Inside of this. This is really famous in the whole India, yeah?
Yes, jalebi.
This, I remember there was occasion and people are selling this on the street. What
That's
occasion?
what.
occasion?
Dasera. Papda. This papda.
October, November?
Yes,
October, November.
we will.
Oh.
This Friday we are going to have this Dasera.
This coming Friday.
Friday.
So many will sell this.
We can show to our viewers that how they celebrate
I
Dasera.
taste this before.
Because now big festival in India, 9 night they are,
Yeah.
9
There is
night.
occasion going on here.
Here.
In the night, they are
They are
playing
doing-
music and they are dancing because it's garba, yeah?
Yeah, it
And
is their
after
worship.
this, they will eat this.
After 10 day, they will eat this. 9 night, after
This is
that
Hindus
10.
festival.
Dasera means 10 day.
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah. I don't know how they make like this.
Yeah. If you see
I
that
think it's
procedure.
very complicated to cook.
No,
to
it is
make.
easy.
No, it's easy. No,
Just they
how?
do round,
Ah, they
liquid
do
form
round,
on the
like
oil.
this.
But you should be well experienced to play with oil.
Yeah. It's like there is machine. Look, it's like there is machine.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, which one you like? This bundi,
This because
laddu,
I'm not fancy of too much sweetness. I prepare this.
this one bundi.
Budi and this one because
Second.
this one has liquid inside, little bit
Sourness, they
sourness
put
of
lemon.
yeah.
Yes.
Lemon. That's why there is a but this one too much sweet.
Sweet.
So I prepare those two.
Okay.
Congratulations nga pala kay Benson and Ella. Nakalalaki sila. So congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Hopefully baby and mother are getting better. And also kay MJ Mazon. MJ, thank you very much for your gift to Shania. Thank you very much. Shoutout nga pala kay Alexander Montero sa kanyang hipa, bilas na si Ate Heidi. She working from Dubai. Thank you very much, ka.
So guys, we are eating the very famous mendu vada from southern part of India, South India. You seen our previous video about dosa, and this time this is like a donut.
Yeah, it's not like donut.
Yeah, it
It's
is donut, but this is not sweet donut. It is like it is made from rice.
Ah,
Yeah, rice flour.
right.
maximum product from South Indian dish is made by rice flour.
So it has similarity with Philippines, you know,
Philippines.
made from rice.
Yes.
Okay, and it has sauce.
Coconut chutney.
Okay.
This is sambar.
Sambal.
And this is yogurt.
This one is
Plain
yogurt.
Yes.
It's na
Plain
chai.
yogurt.
Is it chai? Chai, you call it chai, no?
Yogurt. Dahi,
it's-
dahi.
dahi.
Chai means tea.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try.
Okay, let's try. You try it first. You try it first.
This is coconut chutney.
Mm.
Speechless.
Yeah. Look, look inside. Oh, it's white. Okay.
Very soft donut.
So this is your donut. What's this? In Philippines, we have very famous different types of donuts. Yeah? But it's all sweet and
We
different
have donut
flavor.
as well,
But I don't see this kind of donut from Philippines. Yeah? You've been there, yeah? Like how you call this Dunkin' Donuts and the other ones, I don't know. And this is my first time to see donut here.
but
honestly.
this is very plain in taste.
Okay, so
So you try please.
okay, I will try now. So guys, tikman na natin itong donut from South India, but we are here in Gujarat. How you call this again? Mandura?
Mendu vada.
Mandura. So let's try without sauce. Let's try without sauce. Hello guys, they are watching with me because they are curious.
Very plain.
Very plain.
Mm.
Very plain.
That's why you should eat with this.
It's not even spicy as well.
No, very plain. Just rice.
I don't know. It's like because there is sauce.
Hmm.
This will give taste. Yeah.
Taste.
It's like tasteless.
Hmm.
Tasteless.
You have to dip. Now dip and try. It will change the taste.
Try chutney because chutney.
Coconut chutney.
My favorite. Yeah.
Yeah,
Totally gives taste.
it gives change.
It's growing. First bite, you don't like it,
Mm.
but once you started eating, it's growing.
You know
will
why?
like it, yeah.
Because this is very plain. If you
Yeah,
dip,
very plain.
the chutney will go inside and it will change your taste.
Your appetite. Yeah,
Mm.
it's growing.
Try with sambar.
With sambar. But this sambar is same with dosa, yeah?
Yeah, same. But this is different product.
This has coriander, yeah?
Fresh coriander.
Yeah, you would not like it without sauce.
Hmm.
But if you dip on sauce, yeah, it gives
Taste.
different taste.
Different taste.
But I prepare sweet donut. I prepare sweet donut.
Usually they eat this for breakfast or
For
lunch.
breakfast.
Yes, lunch as well.
Totally different food. This kind of food. Philippines.
Philippines, yes. That's why I come here to make you try. You can
We
try.
just want to share different kind of food here in India.
Mm.
But honestly, this is totally different food from Philippines.
Far away from Filipino food.
Yeah. Even it's made from rice,
Yeah.
totally different taste.
Taste. Yes. Try with yogurt, please.
With yoga.
You will like it because it has sourness.
No.
Yes.
Little bit sweetness with
They put
yoga.
maybe sugar. Okay, so what is overall review? Do you like it or no?
First bite I don't like because it's just plain. But when I started to eat with sauce, yeah, it's probably good.
Okay, so let's finish off all.
So Shama, this is the last food that we're going to taste, yeah? What is this? It's like yogurt.
Dahi vada.
Dahi?
Dahi vada.
Dahiwara. Okay,
Dahi
this is
means-
South Indian food as well, yeah?
Yogurt.
चाट मसाला मरी पाउडर और मिर्ची
Okay,
It
okay.
is masala. So
If you
this
put this
guy is teaching
Chaat
us how to
masala.
cook chat masala,
yeah, this is black powder.
black powder.
Oh, tikkuda
Black
na.
powder. What mean black powder? Black
Black
pepper.
pepper.
Alright. Black
Ano?
pepper. Chili.
થોડું કરી નાખીજો અમે ઓ બાપરે હવે તીખું વધારે નહીં ખાતા
So how you call this again, Shama?
દહીં વડા
Dahiwara. This is
Better
made.
you try
This is made from where? What?
yogurt and there is a like dumpling inside.
Dumpling.
Sweet and sour dumpling. આ શું છે?
મરી પાउडर हाँ
So okay. So let me taste Yama first. Let me taste. I'm curious about this
Dahi vada.
dahi wara. I'm curious about this.
Like mendu vada, this is dahi vada.
Okay.
Vada means round dumpling.
So yan guys, so and he put so many different kinds of masala. So let me taste the
It is like
the
powder,
sauce, the
black
sauce.
powder.
Look guys, so yan na, ito yung inside. 1, 2, 3. How much is this?
40 rupees, 4 dumpling inside.
4 dumpling. 40 rupees. Hey, how about this one?
40 as well.
40 as well. Okay. So let me taste the
Sauce.
sauce. Yeah. Delicious. I like
This
it.
is my favorite dish.
I like it. Because of it has sweetness and those masala.
And yogurt
Yeah.
make it very yummy.
This is good. Even so many masala he put, it gave
Yummy
natural
taste.
taste.
Now you try dumpling. If you try sauce,
Wait.
how you will find out.
Let's try
I'm
this
very, very
now,
curious.
dumpling.
You will, but this dumpling is totally different.
But this is made from rice as well?
Right.
and I rice it बनत dosa na हाँ
Ah, udit dal. That is dal.
Dal, different, not from rice.
No. You खवडावू છે ને દાળ ખબર છે. He know dal. They are asking, do you know dal?
Nice. Nice. Yeah,
Nice.
very delicious. Nice combination of this sauce and this dal.
And
Dal?
the dumpling is very soft because of
Very
this
soft,
yogurt.
very soft.
Yes.
It's good, it's good.
Very nice. Okay, so
Right.
let me try it. This is like dumpling. They put it in the yogurt. Yes, it has sweetness, sourness, and you put lots of powder like chaat masala. And because it is deep in yogurt, it gives different flavor to dumpling.
Nice, yeah? I like this compared to this donut one.
So I think so. My favorite one is samosa.
Samosa?
This samosa, I can from this street food. Samosa and this second.
Yeah, this one is good.
How about you?
Same as well, samosa and this one. And sweet, I like this round na, this one, bundi. And next is this jalebi.
So guys, please leave your comment about if you ever experience in abroad or Philippines this kind of dish. Please leave the comment. So we will find out, at least you try. I want Bimbo to try each and everything here. So at least when he come with Kartik, they just try samosa.
Samosa and jalebi.
Jalebi. Very famous street here in Nadian. In the evening it is damn busy. So
So how many types of food we eat?
I think so 5 to 6 almost, and I'm very full.
Three types of sweet and yeah,
Samosa.
six.
Yeah, 6 to 7 we
No,
tried.
just six. All in all, six. Yeah.
But I'm very full, so at the moment I don't want to try more. Thank you.
So guys, thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. I really enjoy the food here, different kind of street food. So please keep following us on Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you. Bye-bye.